Hi, I'm just going to show you how to desolder electronic components without using a desoldering tool. What I'm taking off is that switch there, little push button switch. So I'll show you what you do. You heat up each individual pin, hit it on the table and the solder just drops off. Just like that. This one has 4 pins on. All the solders fell off. Get a tool. I'm using a pen knife. A screwdriver would do a flat bladed screwdriver. Just carefully prise the component up. Make sure you don't pull too hard in case the solder's not come off. And there you have it. Is the switch that I've desoldered.